Is your DevOps pipeline secure from modern container threats? Zero Trust architecture is vital to protect DevOps pipelines by securing containers and clusters from unauthorized access. Traditional perimeter-based defenses leave containers and clusters vulnerable to lateral attacks and privilege escalation. Here we see container config missing strict network policies, opening risks for unauthorized cluster communication. Zero Trust enforces continuous verification and least privilege across container interactions, reducing attack impact. Compare blocking all non-essential traffic versus allowing open cluster communications. How policy enforces security. Use network policies, RBAC, and mutual TLS to enforce Zero Trust within your DevOps clusters. This snippet enforces encrypted communication and strict access controls between pods, enhancing cluster security. Implement Zero Trust principles. Harden clusters with network policies and RBAC. Continuously verify and monitor access. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on Zero Trust for DevOps security.